Ka di basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Habakran halor ka lintiral Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad ki sangma ulaong ba ka lintiral ka badon kam nakabenta ka yo ka kot jong Kejala hanrei ha kaju kupor ka sorkar kan hap yakran sotu ba bat ki nong shong shnong ringkat ki kinhun ba pher khnang ba baro ki nong shong shnong kinhun Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ka jingsngo Lyngngoh ba ki don ki sengsan perthei ki badawa ya ka sorkar bakan Thaw da ka komiti ban yakran halor ka lintiral hanrei ha ba ka sorkar kala Thaw ya ka komiti kim terepat ban wan yakran sya ka komiti ulaong ba sotu shu ya ka jingmot jong kita ki brio.
I have been very clear that from economic progress point of view, railways are important for us, whether it is Khasi Hills, Jente Hills or Garo Hills. So I'm very clear on my thought that it is important. We need it. But at the same time, I've been very clear that this is a sensitive matter. And obviously, there are multiple concerns that people have. Yes, our ministers have come forward and they have said that it should happen. But I am very clear on my procedure that we will take the community and the people along with us in our decision that we make. So even if it's Garo Hills or Khasi Hills, we will engage with the people. We will talk to them. We will try to convince them. If there are certain hurdles and concerns, we will try to overcome them and take the society as a whole forward in the decision, whatever decision we take, so that overall larger development comes in to the state of Meghalaya. So we had invited people to come, but we got a negative response from a few of the political parties. And so now we are wondering whether, the same people who had said that there should be a committee now today are saying that we don't want to be part of the committee. So I really don't know what the intention was, when they mentioned this in the House. But whatever the case may be, since certain political parties have disagreed to come, we will go ahead with whichever political parties are there. But as I said, coming to the committee meeting is not a support for the cause or saying that, look, we want railways. The committee is a platform to discuss. Now, if you don't want to discuss also, then how do we move forward? So I think there has to be some change in the mindset, some positivity. We are allowing that platform and discussion to happen. You don't want to take that platform also, so what can I say? So I urge different stakeholders that let's discuss, because I'm sure there can be ways which we can find to address the concerns that people have and yet have the development that we deserve. So what can we do to find a midway, to be able to address the concerns and get development? That is the purpose of this committee. So I once again appeal, even through the press, that different political parties, they should engage with us. This is how democracy works. This is a democratic process, and the government is providing that platform. We should come and discuss to take this discussion forward. Government of India Minister has asked me, if this project is not coming up in Khasi Hills, is there possibility in other parts? So I told him that I have discussed with Garo Hills representatives and Jente Hills representatives. They have shown some positive response based on their statements. But I again mentioned to them that we would still want to take the public at large and the organizations and civil society at large on board.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti tho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti tho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra